Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear respected brothers and sisters, hope you're doing well. Today I have a surprise for all of you and three guests with me, and we're gonna ask them what is their name and why they are with me and where they're going, inshallah. So here are three guests. So first one is, what is your name? Brother Nabil. Next one, what is your name? Akil and Shazana. Very good. So where all of you going?
We are going to Maqsood to learn.
Very good. So they are going with me to Diamond Masjid to attend Maktab classes. Alhamdulillah. It is very important. It is very important to educate your children, because the era we are living in, there are too many things going on outside. So it is very important to educate your children, send them to these kind of gatherings, which are beneficial for us, not only in this world but also in the hereafter. So I make dua, Allah bless them and Allah increase them in knowledge. So say goodbye and assalamu alaikum to all.
Goodbye.